The Apico resort where we stayed last during the concluding portion of our spiritual tour to Mahavatar Babaji's cave in Dhonagiri, Ranikhet, Kokachina area. It was on that day early morning. Still I was on the bed, sitting and doing individual dhyana. Suddenly a flash came and hit me. I never expected it happened. I never expected it could happen in this way. But it had happened. Subsequently, Babaji entered the room. It has been followed from time immemorial in this country. I could understand something he is trying to make me understand. But he said you will undergo a very painful suffering. Don't mind. It is a rejuvenation, a rebirth for you. As had happened to you 42 years ago, same thing would happen to you. But I never expected I will be attacked by coronavirus itself, because maybe that is the deadliest on this earth as of today. That experience also I had to go. That was the will of the Master. On that day's evening when we reached Delhi, we had to cancel all our programs and take a room and settle in Hotel Southern, followed by, I have already clarified that we had to take flight, cancelled flights, rescheduled flights, cancel our trip to Mathura, Vrindavan, cancel our stay facility, cancel our taxi what we had booked. We had to cancel our train tickets which we booked additionally because of the uncertainty in service being provided by various airlines. It was 3 airlines we had booked. It's very peculiar. Never happened earlier. We had to spend about 40,000 rupees only for flight tickets. So much of money was drained out because of the inefficient way of handling by the airlines. Having done the sadhana as desired by Mahavatar Babaji, in which he has removed our name and has given a new name, all our previous names have been removed, which has been imprinted on us. Now 27th of April 2021, again Purnima. The day concludes with 30-31 days as prescribed by Mahavatar Babaji. Both of us, myself and Mataji, have completed 1 month of sadhana, what was given to us. We could feel that there is drastic change. 1.5 months back, when I planned a visit to Babaji cave, I had a notion that I have achieved something in spiritual. But after 35 days, now I look at, I feel sad. No. That is what we feel. We feel that we have come little further. No. Now this 35 days given me so much of lessons, so much of experience, not speaking to anybody, keeping silence within ourselves, undergoing pain almost all the day, including yesterday. Very rarely we had night sleep. At 2 o'clock anybody can call us. At 3 o'clock anybody can call us. At 12 midnight anybody can call us. We both have been spending sleepless nights. Whether I was in hospital or I was in home. Whether she is home quarantined herself or whether she is taking care of me in the hospital. Mataji is taking care of our daughter who was also quarantined because both of us were infected. Although she was negative, she had to be staying separate. We had to get food from different source. She has to get food from other source. With all these things, our daughter extending unexpected service to us. Very rarely she wakes up in the morning, but she woke up and by 6:30, 7 o'clock she will be in the hospital with a coffee, tea, light refreshment for me. All these things happens with the will of the divinity, not in our hands. Now this particular video is, we are completing 30 days, the Purnami has come. The corona is taking very ugly turn in and around us. Every state, every district, every region in India is worst affected. The rulers, the politicians are doing their best, what they could do. But the onslaught is much more stronger than what we could contain. Nobody is spared. In and around our friends and relative circle, we had to every day listen so many sad stories. I get at least 40 to 50 requests for prayer. So many people pouring one after the other. I hardly managed to go to the first floor to take a printout of the photo. By the time I come down, one more photo, one more request comes. I cannot blame anybody. I cannot shrink my face because the much more pain is suffered by the person who is calling from the other side, which we have to. I am only an agent to keep the photo before Babaji and pray. So with this condition, in order to protect future days, now the pandemic has started attacking the children also. Many children are being affected. The parents have got their own agony of life. In order to reduce, in order to mitigate any loss that could happen, on Tuesday, the Purnima day, 27th of April 2021, we are arranging an elaborate puja to Mahavatar Babaji with a Ganapati puja for the whole world to be safe, healthy and peaceful. The day being very auspicious on 27th April 2021 Tuesday, have the darshan of Mahavatar Babaji. Something good can happen. Concluding sadhana, thanksgiving, samaradhana, giving send-off even to Corona. Hope the puja will take away all the negativities in every house. All those people who come and visit us, who are not able to visit us, who are able to take part from their own residence itself, to every individual, let the blessings, the grace, the Ashirvada, the Anugraha, let it spread everywhere. Let the day 27th April 2021 Tuesday bring a new chapter in your life. We will try to share some photos on that day. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.